When I entered the mountains, I hoped to find a village. What I found, however, was something else. This is Nagoro, a tiny and remote village deep in Japan's valleys. Population, just a handful. Though its streets are not filled with humans, they are not totally empty. They are filled with scarecrows. Dressed like humans, they are present everywhere, even in classrooms, waiting for a lesson that can never begin. Most of the residents of this village left long ago. One woman, Tsukimi Ayano, made each of these dolls, watching her neighbors leave or pass away. So she brought them back, not as ghosts, but as real memory. While Nagoro is disappearing, one real person at a time, its story is still here, stitched in the figure's fabric. Would you like to experience Nagoro's silence? Subscribe to Curious Voyages for more hidden places you've never heard about.